Hello, I'm in a 2013 Dodge Durango, and I'm going to show you today how to open up your back door there, or basically the trunk. A lot of vehicles, sometimes there'll be like some kind of trunk release, but there's nothing on this particular car. So you just want to make sure all the doors are unlocked, which it is now, and then always go with the key as well. So you can use the key, as it shows here, this double press to open it, which will go to the back and show. So now it's unlocked, at least it should be, at which point you can just pull here. That wasn't working for whatever reason, so again, just got to keep making sure. So it's not wanting to unlock for some reason, but this should do it. Typically 2 clicks, and then it's got hydraulics, so it should just open up. So when it has something like this happen, you may need to go in from the inside and just climb your way back to the very back. You got seats here, you should be able to lower these. So then back here, should there be something that's keeping it stuck, you'll just open up this cover here, and then right inside there you'll see a release that you can get to. That'll release that locking mechanism, so this will open up. And at which point, obviously, you want to address why these other options weren't working. Typically, something just like a dirty hinge, something caught up in there, you can clean out. Sometimes you might have to replace a part, something like that. Obviously, you want to make sure you've got batteries in your key, because that's obviously something that goes out in keys a lot. Just need new batteries. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.